ಸರಿನಾ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. Am I audible?
Yes, the recording has started. You can start your presentation.
Hello everybody, I'm Hasha Mohan, presenting DataOps Crew. So I'll walk you through the presentation that we have prepared for the project. Uh, Global Digital Bank, revolutionizing banking system. Made the PM Tejas. Not waste much time and walk you through the presentation. Is the presentation visible?
So can you please make sure this is stable connection? Maybe connect your personal hotspot or something like this.
Yeah, assuming that it's visible, and I'll just I hope this is visible now. Oh, sorry, I didn't start presenting. Is the screen? Can you allow me to? Yeah. Yeah, I think now it's visible. Yeah.
Yes, sir, sure. Go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah, so we are presenting, as you all know, global digital banking. It's completely what we have built is revolutionizing the whole banking system. So I'll just walk you, I'll just like tell you all the content that I'll be recording stop. I introduced my team before, and XPLC project overview feature implemented live demonstration, including and learning in Q&As, as you all know. So the first thing is, why do we need global digital banking or stuff like that? It's an advanced digital banking platform designed to transform the whole banking system experiencing making us experience a futuristic customer anything that you can actually. I'm just reading this thing, but trying to add my own words. But that's what I'm doing. But yeah, so this is what the introduction of global banking, global digital bank is all about. So we have build this all this thing using Python, learned in our class. So so far, what we have learned, generated, and used ChatGPT, everything that we have done. I'll just be demonstrating last. So addressing in the digital banking era, that is elevating the digital banking experience. That is the problem statement that we are tackling now. So, which what we have improved in the current banking system is seamless account managing, or multiple account managing for bank. So, if I open a bank, it's very important, and it's very important that any transactions which goes on is very clear and it is very visible for the customers as well. So efficient transaction processes. So if anybody transfers the amount from customer A to customer B, it should be super effective, efficient, and it should be very clear. So that's what. So this is the problem statement. Core objective of GBD is user-focused security, automating transactions, adaptable banking infrastructure, वगैरह वगैरह. You can actually go through the PPT as well. So I just don't want to read this again. I'm just trying my best to explain it at the end of it. At the end of it. Sorry. Well, these are the key implementations that we have done. That is search by name, list all the active accounts, because this is very important. We need to make sure that okay, people are having money by listing all the active accounts, because if people have money in the bank accounts, they'll actively use, and there's all, and list all the closed account, everything that you can actually see here. Transaction log file, minimum balance checkup, simple interest calculator, uh, and as like that savings account and current account thing, everything. You know, I'm very sorry for the inconvenience. And the next slide will be done by my friend, the co-team member, Raghav, everybody data. What, like, was I audible or didn't get it?
You can continue.
Uh,
Sure, yeah,
Raghav?
I'll continue from.
Yeah,
Yeah, we have the GDP data models. We have mainly account class, which designed to encapsulate all essential information for each banking account, like account number, name, age, balance, and account type, status, and PIN.
Harsha, can you
So
please mute?
this gets into account class. So Asha, can you move on?
Except Raghav, can everybody mute? You can continue.
Raghav, you can go ahead. It is not visible to talk.
Yeah, then we have file system and transaction log entry. So what the project GDP utilizes a robust file-based storage system to maintain critical banking data. Like we have account.csv and a transaction log to get the transaction, all the details into transaction log, and all the account details get stored into account.csv. And for the transaction log entry, we have a timestamp and what are the transactions that happened in the particular account number and operations that all get stored here. Next, we'll move into product demo. Ashita.
Okay, Harshita will present now. Dear judges,
Good
I'll
afternoon,
just stop the
everyone.
recording.
Now I'm gonna show all the features that we have created. So in total, we have created
Join.
This is
This is your screen is not visible.
There's some network issue, guys. Like
I will see and try if you can present yourself the project demo and let him explain it. Yes, can you
Huh?
make it quick and present the demo?
So, like we have created 29 features in which the first five. Share. So, is my screen visible? Okay. So,
Yes, you
continue
can
with what I said.
continue.
We have created totally of 29 features in which the first five features are the base features. So first and foremost, the first feature is create account. So I'm going to show quickly, give a demonstration of how to do it. So in here we can actually set or not set a pin. Like if I just give enter, it's gonna take it without any pin. So if I try to create another, create an account and yes, so now I can actually uh, give a pin, 4-digit pin, so that it can take it up, and when I try to withdraw some money from my bank, it's gonna ask for the pin. If not, if the pin is not correct, it will not let us withdraw any money. So in here, the account has been created successfully here. So for the next feature is deposit. I'm just gonna do 1006. Enter the pin. So the pin, as you can see here, for deposit and for the withdraw, it's gonna ask the pin here. So 1234. Enter the and here the deposit successful, and for the withdraw is also the same, like so the balance had been withdrawn. So for the next one is like balance equal, so how much my bank account has the balance. So here is also the pin operation is operating. So the total account balance is 5600. So the next is like I can also close my account here, account number to close. And here you can see that the account has been closed successfully. And if I like just go to the account section in here and okay, okay, so I'm just gonna show the code of how I have implemented and what have I used in here, the main.py. So here is all the code as you can see here. So I have used file handling and also like classes has been created like bank services. Here you can see the code. So I'm just gonna go for the features now. So now for other features like extra features that we have created, uh, like from the 6 features, search by name. So when I give a search by name, as you can see here, like it is showing the balance in here if we search by name, and next search by account number. We can also search the like get to know our balance by the account number also. As you can see, okay. So the next, so in choice it, it's gonna give which are the accounts that are active. And for the next, so as you can see that I have done like close the account in which feature is like the fifth feature. I have implemented the fifth feature here. So that has been like here. The account is inactive. The account has been closed. So this feature is like showing all the closed accounts, and next the account type upgrade. So 1006. So like first my account was savings. The type of account was savings, and now I can upgrade it to current. So it has been upgraded to current. Like if I just search my name itself, as you can see here, it has been implemented the current account, and now I'm just going to show you the code of how it has been implemented. Like here, as you can see here from here, we have used the functions and file handling for this. So the rest of the features will be done by my team member Raghav. I'm gonna pass it on to him. Thank you. 11.
Good afternoon. I'm Harshita. Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, Harshita, you're audible.
Yes, but it is echo.
Uh, if you're sitting next to Harshita,
One
just reduce your volume. That will not echo.
volume reduce. Volume reduce. Volume reduce. Okay, I'll go with I'll go with the next features which we have incorporated. That's the 11th feature, reopen the closed account. If we want to reopen the closed account, we can use this feature. Here we can see the closed account, the option is like 11, right? Okay, 11. Wait a second. Okay, 11. I have to choose the account number which I wish to reopen. I'll say like the account closed is like inactive is 103 here, the account number. I just type 103, and here we'll get the account is reopened. And here the status will be also updated from inactive to active. And the next feature is rename the account holder. We can also rename the account holder. I'm choosing the account number like 1001. Like the previous name here is Tanya. I'll rename that to Tanish. Yeah, you can see the update here. It has been renamed to Tanish. And we'll also get the notification here, like saying account saved successfully, account holder renamed successfully. And I'll go with next account to active accounts. In this feature, we can count how many accounts are active. So yeah, we'll get here active account count. The active account count is 7. For cross check, we can also check the above displaying one. And the next is 14, transfer funds. Transfer funds in the sense like we can transfer money from one account to the other another account. First, we have to enter the account number. I'll say that the account number has 1005. Enter pin. If we have set the pin, we have to enter pin. If not, we can click enter. I've set the pin for this account. So I'll enter the pin, and then it is also asking from which account to which account you are transferring. First, we have to enter from which account number we are transferring the money to, like whom. To account number, I'll choose 1007. And then it will ask how much money you have to transfer. I'll I'll give us 1000. So yeah, we can see the update, and also account we'll get here like transaction has been done from 1005, account number 1005 to 1007, and transaction is successful here. And then count active accounts, transfer funds is done, and 15 choices. Like the feature is transaction history. We can also check the transaction history of particular account number. I'll go with like 1007, the account number. So yeah, we'll get like these many times the transaction has been happened. Okay, the next is minimum balance check. We can also check the balance of a particular account number. So yeah, when I enter the account number, like it is showing like minimum balance maintained. Like we have set in the feature itself whether the this much amount of money has to be maintained. And next is 19, average balance calculated. We can also calculate the average. We can also calculate the average balance calculated. This is saying like the average balance across all accounts is 38,000. Like overall account balance is 38,000 average. And next, I'll go with the next feature, 20th feature. It says simple interest calculated. It calculates the simple interest of particular account number. Account holder. I'll choose the account holder 1007. So it will also ask like for how many percent you have to calculate. I'll go with 5 itself. How many number of years? I'll go with 1. And then it will show like simple interest for 1 year is like 3,000, like approximate 4,000 it is. And then I'll go with 21st. It tells us like top account by balance. How like which account has the most balance? How many top accounts by balance? Like how many accounts you want? Like it orders by increasing order. I'll just choose like 2. I need 2 accounts to be displayed, and it's showing like 2 accounts. One is the savings account and the current account with the balance of 99,000 and 79,000. Like it will arrange in an increasing order. And next I'll hand over to Rag.
Guys, just a quick reminder, the meeting will end in exactly 9 minutes, so finish up.
So we'll proceed faster. We'll just take 5 minutes to complete it. During this proceed with the questions.
Yeah, we'll continue with the 21st accounts. Start. Is my screen visible? Yeah, it's screen visible. Okay, I'll start with 21. So, according to the balance amount, it displays the top accounts. So I think this was covered by Ashita. So next we'll go to 22nd. So among the account holders in the bank, it will show the youngest account holder. So we can see that Tej is having Tej is the youngest account holder here. Next we'll go to 23rd, oldest account holder. The same as youngest, but it will show the oldest account holder. This is Tanya. She is added. Then we'll have an PIN and password protection check. It will ensure that the same password works for the account. We can see that from the for Tanya, it's like password is 73337. So we'll check that it's a PIN verified. Got the info. For the age verification, it's already implemented in the first. It actually checks for the age before creating an account. Next, I'll try to delete all the accounts. So all accounts got deleted. We can see in the account.csv file, all the accounts got deleted. So that's all. The last account is it will exit with the save. Thank you for the presentation. Next we'll conclude it.
So these are the features which we have included. If you have any questions, we are open to it.
Great job, about DataOps. It was really a good presentation. Continuing with the question, you mentioned in the presentation that you also implemented the transaction log feature, but none of you actually presented it. Can I please look into the transaction log once?
Okay, 1 second. We're gonna Okay, is my screen visible? Okay, is my screen visible? Invite answers are waiting in the
Yes, Harshita, it's visible.
here, transaction log file is 60. The picture 16. I have entered the choice. I have to enter the code account number. Account number I give it as 1007. It has been created. The transaction file.
Okay, thank you.
Since I deleted all the accounts, not enter again transaction log. So Ashita showed the same, I guess.
No, the one you're presenting
Is
right
it
now.
clear?
No. It's
The
fine.
query got answered. Like,
It's fine. I understood the question. We only have 3 minutes. If Team Gravity has a question, they can ask the question.
Where have you used this concept?
Which concept? Which concept?
Hello, am I audible?
no, actually, it's not audible. Can I repeat the question?
Where have you used OOPS concept? ನಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅದೇ ನಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್
Oops concept is, I think the meeting timings. Uh, uh, oh, yeah.